So, one of the things we focus on in Extension is to, promote our ag producers. And so we had this idea to do an Ag Expo to highlight all things ag, not only in the Muscogee Nation, but also in the greater Okmulgee area. And so we collaborated with a lot of different partners, Oklahoma State, Langston University. That's our 3 land grants.
Coming here to just get educated a little bit more. You never learn too much. We don't try to partner together with one another to learn from one another to do teamwork, then it's kind of tough for you to do all this by yourself.
Well, I think this particular expo brings together different bodies of cultures that don't historically meet in a venue like this. Some of the events are just Native American, some of the events are just Black, and I think I've seen a mixture of the different populations, which I think is good.
Yes.
And that's what needs to happen in this country, that people begin to come together and find out that, hey, you're not alone in this struggle.
It's going to be a successful event because of the collaborative efforts that we've all come together and to serve one purpose, and it's to promote ag businesses and educate people. And if we educate one person, it's going to be a success.